This is Georgia with Creative Moments by G, and I just want to welcome you to a special announcement. Tomorrow we are having our first Sippin' Saturday. And what does that mean? Well, that means our project that we're going to create will use stamp, ink, and paper, but also I'll be sipping my coffee. How about you? I hope that you join us. Let me show you the cute little project that we'll be making. Hold on just a second. Okay, look at this. We are going to be using some designer series paper from our mini catalog. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful paper. You're just going to love it. And remember, when you spend $50 in this catalog, you get a free stamp over here. So neat. Look at these adorable notepads that we're making. Now, we can go into how we made these. Look at this. Is this a perfect staff present? Maybe you're a principal, huh? And you want to do this for your staff. Maybe you're a boss at work and you want to do this for your staff. This is a wonderful idea. Or maybe you have a family member that's really special and you just want to make them a little notepad that they can take. This is so cute. Oh my goodness, but tomorrow we won't be using this really adorable heart to heart, right? We are going to be using the Going Crazy for Puppies. Have you seen our videos on YouTube? We've made some cards using that stamp set. So cute. Well, tomorrow we're going to make a notepad. I hope you can join us tomorrow, Saturday, January 11th at 10 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. We'll see you there. Okay, see you tomorrow.